Hi guys, hope you all doing well. So yeah, welcome to today's session. Yeah, so let's wait for a minute or so for the others to join, and uh, and then we can begin. Comment in the comment or chat in the chat section if you are able to hear me, so that I just want to have a quick audio check and then we will start. So today it's going to be really exciting. I will be sharing the courses which are really good, and you can consider in this session you will find lot of information regarding what courses you can choose, and based on what criteria you can decide, and all this information, which specific university specific course has some kind of requirements, what are the course structures. So these kind of things we will be discussing in this video, in this stream today. So definitely it's going to be really helpful. You will know, okay, which courses are looking for bachelors in computer science, and which courses are even okay if you have a degree from non-technical background. You can still study data science in Germany if you can prove that you are capable to do so. So yeah, that's let's wait for others to join, and then we will start. Uh, so excited for today's session, and yeah, we will be discussing all these things in detail. Yeah. Let's just wait for a minute, and then we will begin. And just let me know if you are able to hear the audio. That would be really nice if you can comment in the chat and mention, okay, audio is fine for you guys. That would be really helpful for me. And immediately we will begin. Hi Ratna, hope you are doing well. Yes, thanks for the confirmation. Yes, you guys are able to hear. So let's begin the session. As I already mentioned that in this session I'm going to share what programs are you relevant for you, what how whether some any program has limited seats or not. So these kind of information, even I will be showing you the links or URLs where you can check all this information yourself, and then you can consider to apply yourself. You don't have to bother, okay, it is so complicated. I will be showing you in detail where are the requirements. You can just check yourself later on, and yeah, so it's definitely going to provide you a lot of information. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, let us understand what is data science. It is about creating the algorithms, making the system smart. They learn from the existing data, existing user behavior, and develop the data models, develop the system which can predict what is going to be the next. For example, in my one of the videos I mentioned that, okay, you're watching the YouTube, okay, and you are watching my video, and then you liked it so much, you watched till the end, then YouTube will have the feeling, okay, this guy likes the Sandeep's the video, then it's going to suggest you my video again, right? So that is how data science, analytics, algorithms work, AI. So this is the whole about it. So if you for someone who doesn't know what is data science, so this is just a quick brief definition in one or two lines. So you can see if it really creates interest in you, then you can definitely consider this course in to study in Germany, and then accordingly plan to study here. Okay. Yeah. Hi Sonal. Thanks for confirming. Happy to see you again. Yeah. So next point is it is about analyzing the user behavior and approach to the closest possible solution. As I already said, that it gives the for example, Facebook or YouTube or maybe other platforms. So medical or biotechnology, there are a lot of applications. So it's really going to be in high demand. In fact, it is in high demand, and resources are not available. Even nowadays there is a lot of resource demand, but there are not enough human resources, people available to work. So that's why it's going to be very growing field for you guys if you study in this area. For example, tech, or you want to work in a technology company, you want to work in banks, you want to work in the automobile industry, or you want to work in the medical centers. So these are all the applications which are really going to have which will be using or also using data science nowadays. Okay, now let's discuss in detail about the courses which you can consider if you are considering to apply to study in Germany in data science. So the number one is the Technical University of Munich. Okay, you might have heard. Okay, this is already a university which has the very good ranking across the world, and in Germany, if I talk about data science, it is the number one university to study this course. Okay, at the moment, the university is offering two courses. One is data engineering and analytics, and the duration of the course is 4 semesters. And then there is other course which is mathematics and data science, which is also a 4 semesters course. It's a master. So data engineering and analytics is relevant for someone who wants to let's say who wants to go into software development related to data science, and also into data analytics, predictive modeling, developing the models. Then it's going to be relevant for data engineering, and analytics is going to be relevant for that person. Second course is more related to mathematics and statistics. So it is for people who want to work as a data scientist, who want to understand the data, draw the conclusion, and then based on that predict the user behavior, predict the system behavior. So for those, mathematics and data science is going to be relevant. Again, it is also a 4 semester course. Okay, yeah. So the language of the course is medium of instruction of the course is B2 level of language, which means you can consider to have a IELTS score somewhere between 6 to 7 at least. If you have more, then you have a better chance. You will get extra points, or extra weightage will be given to your profile if you have a better IELTS score. And then they also, in the requirements, in the during the while shortlisting the candidates for the course, you also have to take an aptitude test after you have submitted all the application documents. Then there will be an aptitude test which you have to go through, and then if you score well in that test, then they will also give you the admission. So that's the main requirement they have. And then to make your profile stronger, it's better to have some work experience from software background or other. Even if it's not into software background, for example, you are coming from automobile industry, or you are coming from physics research or anything, you must be able to relate your connection. You must show, okay, you have worked on Python, you have used the R language. So in that way you develop the connection, you justify, okay, you carry the relevant experience. And then even even if you don't have the experience, you can register for practical courses in parallel, start making your own projects, and you can show those projects to the university, give them show them how this works and all. So it's really going to be helpful. Okay, and the students who study from this university study data science courses, study data engineering and analytics, study mathematics and data science, are definitely sought out by universities here, sought out by employers here. Uh, Before the time you finish, before you even finish the course, you will definitely have maybe more than one job in your hand. So definitely, so you have to put in some effort to get into this course, but then once you are here, then it's definitely worth it what efforts you have put in. So that's really good. So here are the links I want to show you. uh, okay, let me see. So the first link is about the data engineering course that I just mentioned. So that data engineering and analytics, you can visit this site website from TUM. So here you can see what are the study requirements. Here it says the language is English, and language. So required language of proficiency is English, and then language of instruction is German and English. So you will still be fine, because they know, okay, you don't speak German, so they will definitely find a workaround. Then maybe you have to learn the language over the time, or there will be some courses which will be offered in both German and as well as in English. So it's really going to be good. And the fee is also, it's like 142 euros. It's nothing for one semester, so it's definitely a good program to target for. And then this course, as I mentioned, is going to cover both analytics as well as engineering. If you can see that it's mentioning, okay, uh, storage of large data sets, managing those data, and then cloud computing is there. So that's why all of this is possible just because of cloud computing, just because of so much data storage is available at such a lower cost. So these kind of things are really important. Okay. Okay, and now, and the last factor why this course is really useful, because nowadays data science is not only about business data, it is about the user behavior, it is about the layman people. So businesses analyze those user behavior, and based on that they develop their products and services to stand out in the market. So that's really useful. Okay, and then again it says that how the program is structured: data analysis engineering and data engineering. So again, so you can see all of it here, right? And then they have also given how you can apply, which I have already mentioned a little bit on in the slide itself. Okay, here they have also given what documents you have to submit. You can see standard documents are there, you don't have to put in a lot of effort in that. Okay, and then once you get the admission, you have to go for the enrollment, and you have to submit these documents. So that's the overall about this university. Okay, and here is the online application portal, you can go and apply for this course. Okay, so now let's move on to the next course which I want to talk about. In fact, there is the this other course from TUM itself, which I wanted to mention. It's more focused on analytics. Earlier one, this one is focused on software developers as well as for who wants to work into analytics. But this one is only for people who are more interested to go into the predictive modeling. So you can think about it. And here they have written that aptitude assessment for master. Okay, and then it is available for both winter and summer, you can prepare accordingly. So rest of the things you can go over, you can read about the program, and then definitely you can see how you want to go about this program. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. You can we will be definitely discussing about the questions at the end what you have. Let's move further now. Okay, next one I want to talk about the LMU Munich. Okay, so here is the they have given on their website how the total course structure look like in 4 semesters. So there you will be studying statistics, for which will give you 12 credits, and then informatics, which is then software related subjects, and then fundamentals of data science. So all of these three have 12 credits, and then predictive modeling 6 credits, and then you will be learning about human computation and analytics. And then there will be 12 credits for practical in the third semester. And this data ethics and data security will last for 2 semesters, second and third. So this is the overall course structure you can see. And finally, at the end of the in the last semester, there will be a master thesis. Let's see about the course in more detail on their website also. Yeah, so as I said, it's a master program, data science, 4 semesters. Again, English language is B2, which means six, somewhere between 6 to 7 is better, and more than 7 is really going to be good. And there will be a video interview which you have to attend with the university. If they like your documents, they feel okay, you are the potential candidate, they will invite you for the video interview. So it's definitely, and having experience is again advantage, as I said. And here they have given a very high level requirement that your graduation must have some subjects related to data mining, probability, machine learning. So these are the courses you must have studied in your bachelor's. Then it's possible for you to get shortlisted by the university. And then computer science and computational methods, for example database systems, algorithm. Like you learn the subjects like C, C++ in your college, in your study, or you are working as a software developer, then you are using the OOPS languages. So those kind of things are definitely going to pay off. Okay, and then you know about the programming principles, software engineering. So these will have the weightage. Let's look at the website of the university. So here is the here are the requirements, as which I have already shown you. I have shown you the snapshot of this area, where they have clearly mentioned okay what kind of requirements they have. And then they have mentioned about the B2 level of English. And then yeah, basically that's the requirement section. You can go further into the links and see how it is. And then finally, let's look a little bit at the program in detail. So you can just go there. Yeah, here you can see this snapshot. I have already shown you how the course is going to be divided when you come and study here. You can see what you want to study, what are the focus of your study, what are the subjects which are the focus of your study, and accordingly you can consider whether you want to apply or not. And they have also given the description of each of the modules here. You can click and see and read it, and accordingly you can see whether you want to apply or not. So that's really useful. Just Google about LMU data science course. You will get this link, and then you will find more details. Okay. So now let's go to the next slide. Okay. Third course I want to talk about, it is being offered by University of Magdeburg. It is a course which is of Master in Data and Knowledge Engineering, which means it's a combination of data science as well as artificial intelligence. It is again 4 semester course. So in this, if you want to get into this course, get into this university, then it is always better to in your bachelor's you must have a score of 2.3. You must have 2.3 grades, right? And these are the German standard grades. So you have to convert your existing grades into German grades and see where do you stand. Just Google about how to convert the grades, and you will find, okay, how you can convert your grade from your Indian or other country. From, if you're coming from other country, then you can just convert those grades from this country to this country. You will find the conversions. Okay. And the core again, they want to consider the candidates who have studied databases and statistics, as it's written here in their bachelor study. Then definitely they are going to give you the preference. Okay. And then there is this the language requirement again is English, but they want you to be at a good level of English. So definitely it's good to have at least 7.5 each in IELTS, then only it's possible. Or if you are considering to go for TOEFL, then you can just convert what is the CEFR equivalent of TOEFL scores, and then you can see. And they give preference to recommendation letters. Try to have recommendation from your professors, from your colleagues, from your seniors, who, if you are working in a company. So those are really going to help. And again, as I mentioned in my last live session, when you are requesting for the recommendation, ask that you are applying for this course, and that's the purpose of this course, so that they can write the relatable recommendation letters for you. And then accordingly, if you write a good cover letter, then definitely it's going to give you an advantage. You develop a connection in the cover letter, why do you want to study in this course. And next is that you must be having a good experience. Then when I say good, that means at least 1 or 2 years of experience is going to add value. If you don't have the experience, you can show your personal projects or internships. So these things are really going to add value. Let's go on to the website of the course. Yeah. So here here they have clearly mentioned that you will be getting an MSc degree. The course duration will be 4 semesters. It is being offered in both winters and summers, right? And then the good thing is that if you see here, it is non-restricted admission, which means they don't have limitation on the number of seats available. Let's say if there are 300 students applied and they liked 50 of them, or they liked 100 of them, they will take all of them accordingly. So you have, so that's really good, right? And again, and here they have given those requirements what I have shown in the slides, that you must at least target, you must be having in your bachelor's at least 2.3, right? Then it's going to be good for you. It's really going to be useful. Okay. And then they have also given the deadlines for each semester, right? For example, if you are coming with international bachelor, then you have to apply through uni assist. Winter deadline is 15th of May. And then here they have given for semester, in fact it's not deadline, it's the application opening date. So yeah. And then further you can see what are the career prospects after you study from this course. And then these are the further links which are relevant to you. And also for requirements, they have given the separate link, which I'll just show you quickly now. Just one second. Yeah, so these are the requirements which you can read, you can see. And they have mentioned, okay, they have mentioned about deadlines, they have mentioned about assessment, how the admission process will work. If you see that here in the assessment criteria, they have clearly written down that if you have done some kind of scientific work, if you have the practical skills, they are going to help you, right? And then there are they give preference to letter of recommendation, letter of motivation to demonstrate the specific interest in the discipline. As I said, you must be able to develop the connection, right? And now they have break down these points further in the further section. If you see how you can show your scientific work experience, you must show the relevant journals which are published. You have wrote something related to data science or related to software engineering, related to databases, then those things are definitely going to add value, right? And then you can see further, if you have taken the gate exam or you have taken the other exam, GRE exam for example, they have written down, that's definitely going to add value. Okay, so and then about the practical skills, you can show your internships, it's really definitely going to add value. You can show your work experience. So they have clearly mentioned that you will get 2 points for 1 year experience, you will get 1 point for your internship, right? And then if you carry the, let's say you are working professional, you can see that okay, you are Microsoft certified professional, you are Oracle certified Java programmer or some other certification, then you will get 3 points for that, right? A letter of recommendation will give you 5 points. What they are expecting in the letter recommendation letter, you can also see here, right? Also letter of motivation, it cannot be more than 500 points, it will give you 3 points. So here you can see they have given maximum points to letter of recommendation. So it is really really important for you to consider these things and prepare your applications, and then you will definitely be in the front in front of the admission committee. They will consider you, they will invite you for the interview. So that's really going to help you to get the admission. Okay. Fine. Here they have also mentioned that if you have points between 0 to 12, then you will not be eligible to apply for the you will not be eligible to take admission. They will not you will not be admitted into the course. If you have points somewhere between 13 to 26, then you will be admitted to the course. So this is really a good, that they have given a good description. So just read, follow these documents, you will find everything there. Just Google, okay, University of Magdeburg data science course. You will find all the details, right? It's definitely going to be helpful. And always follow the university website. Always follow the university requirements document. And for this university, for international candidate, they want you to apply on UniAssist website. Yeah, so you also have to consider that factor, right? So let's go further. Next is Technical University of Dortmund. Again, it's a Master of Science course with 4 semesters. The focus of the course is it's a good combination. If you see mathematics, computer science, and stat, so they are covering all the topics. So in this course, you are learning all about how you can be a programmer related to data science, how you can become data scientist. So these subjects will help you learn all the things. And for that reason, if you see, I have written down flex elective, which means they are flexible, lot more flexible when you want to choose the elective subjects, because university offers you some mandatory subjects, then there are some elective subjects. So if they have wide range of subjects, then you can choose whatever you like, what you want to do, what kind of field you want to work on. So these kinds of things really help. If you consider these factors, you can already decide, okay, As I said, you can research the job market, you can see what kind of jobs are available, and are those kind of jobs you are interested into. Are you a person who likes to dive deep into data, who go into data analytics part, or you are a person who are more interested into software programming? So if you analyze those things, and then you can decide, okay, what kind of courses you can focus on, what kind of courses you can choose as elective subjects. Even if you go on their website, there is a self assessment test they have given. You have to take the test and then see the result, and then you will know what they are expecting from you and how much you score there. And then accordingly, when you apply, you also have to submit this test score to the university. This will be the part of your application process. And but another advantage of this self assessment test is that it tells you where do you stand. Are you a person who can go to study this course? They have even given the I think I also saw that they have given the example test, which you can go and see what kind of questions they are expecting from you. So it's really going to be worth, if you all well in advance know what are the expectation from you, and then are you the right fit for the course or not, right? And then I also saw that university is offering, let's say, you are lagging in one or two subjects, but university still believe, okay, you are the person who are still relevant. If you are just lagging in one or two subjects, they will give you the conditional admission, and they will tell you, okay, alongside your study you have to study one or two more subjects. Once you clear those subjects, then they will be fine, your admission will be unconditional after first semester. So these kind of things are really going to help you. And then the course minimum requirement is at least B2. Better to go beyond that. So I always say it's better to have at least 7 each or more, right? And what they are going to teach you, they will be teaching you the subjects related to computer science, statistics, discrete mathematics. So if these kind of things really you are interested into, then definitely go for that course. It's really going to help you. Okay, having the work experience is definitely helpful, so definitely you can consider that. Let's look at their website. So you can see here they have given this link where you can go. As I'm going just very briefly over all the websites so that you can do your research yourself. It is just a guide, very high level guide. What I'm telling you, you have to do all the research in detail, and you have to see whether you it's relevant for you or not. Yeah, so that's really important. Definitely, if you have any question, you can drop me an email, or you have some doubts, you can join the Telegram group. I have a Telegram group, which is a link. There is a link available in the description of the video. You can join that group after the video. If you have some questions, you can ask there. You can drop an email. So I'm always available to help you guys, right? So here is the content of the course. You can go and see. They have also given a little bit of background here. If you, yeah. Yeah, again they are yeah, this is the eligibility requirement. You must be having good knowledge on that. You must be having at least 8 credit points or something. So again, if you are, I tell you, if you are from a good university in India, then you don't have to, or in another country, you don't have to bother about these credit points. You automatically fulfill them if you are from a good reputed university. If you are from a university which is not so reputed, then it's better to calculate your credit points. You can simply go on your university website and see how many hours of the course was, and then accordingly you can convert those hours, whether they were theoretical hours, whether they were practical hours, and then you can convert them to credits. So it's just go on Google and you will see all these things. Okay, these are just all these what kind of expectation they have from you in terms of programming language. You can see all of it. And because if you go over these things in detail, then you will know well in advance whether you are the right fit for the course or not. If you see that, okay, you have knowledge, this kind of knowledge, you have studied these subjects, you have the work experience in this area, then it's going to save you a lot of time. If you see that, okay, you are not eligible for this course, then you can consider other course, because I will be showing you more courses further where you don't even need the technical requirement. So just consider other courses and go for that. So that's really good, I would say. Okay, and then they have mentioned that at least 2.5 in term grades you must be having as per the German grades, and then you have to provide the online assessment which I just mentioned. You can check the assessment and see what kind of the courses are there, and then these are the application deadlines they have given. You can see. Okay, so if you are coming from outside EU, you can directly go here and you can see, okay, how you apply and all. Yeah. So 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 they have given some more details about the course. You can read it out and then see whether you fulfill those things or not. Yeah. So let's move on to the next course. Next is University of Mannheim. Okay, so it is a master in data science, and they have mentioned themselves on their website. Okay, students mostly take 3 years to finish the course, so that's really important for you to consider whether you want to go for 2 years master or 3 years master. As they say, they have clearly written down that students finish in mostly 3 years. So it might be possible some students are finishing up earlier, but again, keep this thing in mind, and then you have to plan accordingly whether you want to go into Mannheim or not, right? Again, they want you to have a 2.5 grade points, right, as per the German standards. Then only you will be at least then only you will be eligible to go for this course, right? So, and then they want you to have 48 credit points in information technology related subjects, software programming, mathematics like algebra or differentiation, integration, statistics, probability, empirical research. So you have to see what subject you studied in your bachelor's, and then you can see what whether you can apply or not. As I said, it is not hard and fast rule, but yes, you must be at least must be meeting at least 90, 85 to 90% of the requirements of study what you have done in bachelor's. 10 to 15% they will give you the conditional admission, and you study those extra subjects and you will be fine. So that's the really good thing. Okay, and then English, you must be again having at least B2 level of English, so better is good, and experience is also given advantage again. And let's look at the website now. Yeah. This is the document for spring semester. So let's go further. I think it contains all the courses, so I need to search the course specifically. Yeah. So yeah, they have also given the contact details, who will be the person who will be taking your queries and all, right? And then we can go further down. As I said, they want you to be having at least 2.5 in your German grades, right? And then it, you must have studied your bachelor's at least 3 years, if not 4 years. Okay, and it will be recognized if you have 48 credit points in the field of, as I mentioned, informatics, mathematics, statistics, empirical research, right? So that's the thing. And then proof of English language, and they have also given the criteria of admission. So they have clearly mentioned, okay, if you have not finished up your study, you can still apply. You can show that, okay, you have finished your 80 to 80% of the course, and then you can apply, right? And then they have also preference will be given to the students who have studied a semester abroad, but it is not a hard and fast rule, again, as I said, because if you have some relevant experience, you have some volunteer experience, you have some your work already working in some organization, those things definitely will also be given advantage. Because if I talk about India, definitely I don't think many students, or maybe less than 1% students who go for a semester abroad, right? So but it doesn't mean that you will not get the admission. If you just prove that you have the relevant experience, you meet the other requirements, you show in the cover letter, recommendation letter, that you are the right fit for the course, then you can definitely go for that, right? And then they have also given this English language requirements, which I already mentioned to you. Okay, let's go further. Then is University of Hildesheim. It is again master in data science, 4 semesters, bachelor's. So the so eligibility is that they give preference to the students definitely having the bachelor's, and they give special preference to students who have studied masters or computer science. So 53% will be overall weightage given to your degree, and 35% weightage will be given to the subjects that you have studied related to mathematics and computer science, right? So you have to see accordingly. And research and practical experience will each be given a weightage of 6% each. So you have to see if you meet those requirements. So which means you are working in an organization, you have done the internship, or you are doing research in that area with some professor. So these kind of things definitely add value. Again, B2 level of English at least is better to have. And then work experience, here I have also mentioned the links which you can see here. Okay. So again, when I was going over through this course, I realized that okay, this course is focused more on someone who wants to go into technical, programmer related to, you want to be a programmer related to data science, or data analytics, then it is more for you. Because if you see, they have mentioned data science scientist, big data engineer, learning scientist, business intelligence analyst. And even if you see the subjects, they have mentioned Hadoop, Apache, and then other subjects they have mentioned. So you have to see whether you are the right fit or for that or not. Again, they have given the requirements, as I mentioned, you must be having at least B2. They have mentioned 6, which will be B1, but again, I would always recommend to have B2, which is good for you, right? And then this is not relevant for you guys, I guess. And yeah, these are just documents what they are asking for when you apply your CV. And then they have also given the application deadline for non-EU is June 30th. And yeah, that's the thing. And this is for winter and this is for summer. And then the weightage I have already mentioned on the slides, you can see. And the fee will be like almost 400 euros per semester. You can see it comes into your budget or not, but I don't think it's not so much expensive. Yeah, I think you can definitely take care of that. Okay. They have also given the links here, how to apply, how is the fee, enrollment, program structure, program requirements, career project prospects. So everything is given here. You can go and see. Okay, I wanted to show you one more link related to program structure. Yes, let us see that. Okay, yeah. Here you can see what subjects we will be learning in each of the semester. In the first semester, you will be learning machine learning, modern optimization technique, programming, machine learning. So if you are the person who wants to go into these things, then it gives to you the direction. Okay, it is relevant for you, it is interesting for you, then you can definitely consider to apply for the course. So that's why just be careful when you apply, right? Okay. Okay, next is University of Darmstadt. Okay, it is a master in data science course. It is a 4 semester. Again, grades are 2.5 at least. They have a aptitude test, right? And let's say you don't have a grade points of 2.5, but that's not a bad news for you, because then they say okay, if you have at least grade points of 2.9, then you have to take the aptitude test. And then if you clear that test, if you score good in that test, they will still consider you, even if you don't have the good score in bachelor's. So this course will particularly relevant for those people who say okay, I don't have good marks in my bachelor's, right? So definitely it's going to add lot of possibility for you. You can go for that. But again, if you see, you must also have a German language knowledge, because this course is in German. So you have to consider that factor. You must, let's say you are already working and you don't have good score in bachelor's, and but you have the work experience, you can start learning German, and then you will be eligible to apply here. Because you don't have the good score, so you have a high chance here if you have other things. right? Let's go on their link on their website. Okay, yeah, they have given all those details: duration, city, language of the course, and then how the what are the prospects for you if you go for that course. You will be working in these areas in these kind of companies, right? And the course structure will they have given the details here. If you see, they have given this. Yeah, this detail where you can see it's, I don't think you are able to see, but let me tell you. Okay, they have mentioned, okay, what are the mandatory modules, what are the elective modules, and what are the practical modules, master thesis. They have mentioned the credit points for each. You can just go over the link and see later on. Yeah, so let's move further into the next course. Next is Leuphana University of Lüneburg, right? It's a combination of both management and data science, right? So it's a good course for someone who wants to study management with data science. So you don't want to be completely technical, then this is for you. They have a point system which I will show you in the link further. So you can see whether you score those points or not. Then accordingly you can apply. The course is in English, and then you must be having some work experience, right? And this is the course if you are not from technical background, you are from liberal arts, you are from humanities, you are from natural sciences, you are from social science, for example economics or some history or some other subject, or technical science. So if you are not from the technical background, you can still apply to this course, but you have to show you carry the experience. You have to, if you are studying economics, you are studying other subjects, you must somehow relate why do you want to apply this course through your cover letter or through your essays, right? Okay, again, they have given the deadlines here. You can go and see. They have given the selection criteria also. Like if you have awards or scholarship, you have experience, you have bachelor degree, you have volunteer work experience, right? So you can see they have mentioned about academic requirements. If you fulfill academic requirements, for example, they are asking for a bachelor degree. They have not mentioned, okay, how much should be your score, but definitely if you go dig deep further, you will find lot of details. So they have mentioned all that. They have given the technical requirements also. Yeah, you must show, okay, you must have 60 credit points if you are coming from similar bachelors, for example bachelor in data science, right? Then you must show that kind of uh, connection. Okay, and then also they have given some list which kind, if you are from this background from wait I saw it somewhere. Wait. Yeah, so it management and data science. So any discipline can apply, whether you are coming from technical or non-technical. Okay, and they say knowledge of at least one programming language is enough if you want to apply for this course. So you just try show some practical experience. Okay, you have done mechanical engineering, for example, or you have done BSc, and then you are working in a software company, you are working as a programmer, or you are working as a some mathematics related area. So this is definitely, then you can apply. It doesn't matter you have done engineering or not. So this course is really relevant for those people, right? So now let's move further. Okay, oops. Yeah, so this is University of Göttingen. This is the structure of the course. So the dark green you see are the mandatory subjects, and with the credit points, right? And then and these are the key qualification that you have to do, that you have to learn here. And then light blue you see, these are the elective subjects. So you can see what kind of elective subjects are available and you want to study them or not. And then there will be master thesis, right? So yeah, that's the course structure. Let's go further into the eligibility requirements. Yeah, it's I missed that slide. Okay, the course is about applied statistics and MSc. It's a MSc 4 semesters, it has limited seats, and there will be an interview. So be careful. I don't remember how many seats were there in terms of how many limited seats were there. So you have to see, and then you can consider to apply. And the course is offered in both German and English. So it is better to learn German and take the German level test, and then also English test, and then you can apply, right? And then they also offer you exchange program, which is good, right? So you also have to consider that factor. So this is the website of the course, right? So yeah, so that's the name of program, that's the degree you will be getting. It's in winter semester, as I said. It's a limited admission, and they have given what kind of degrees you must be having, and they have also given the deadlines, so you can see. And I want to see the next link as well. Okay. Okay. Okay, then admission requirements. For example, minimum 6 semester you have studied in bachelor's in stat, mathematics, computer science. Then, if you have not finished your degree, you must at least finished 150 credit points. Then only you can apply for this course, right? Then again, in stat, mathematics, computer science, you must be having 60 CTS. Then you can consider to apply. So again, then you also have to submit the proof of German language and English language, as I mentioned already, right? So you can just go over the course details. Just Google about the university data science course. You will know all those details. Fine, and yeah. And then the last one is Frankfurt School of Finance and Management. Again, it's a applied data science course. It's a MSc degree, and there will be interview if you are shortlisted, and then you must be having English level language of 7 each or 7.5 each is better, and then work experience. But again, it's a private college, private university. Then you also have to pay this fee. So consider that factor as well. It's not a free course, so you have to see whether you want to go for that or not. That's another point. There's the website. That's the website of the course. You can see. Yeah, they have mentioned all the things here. Program is starting from 23rd of August, 4 semester full time. They have mentioned on their website. Okay, if you will be working 3 days a week, and you will be studying 3 days a week, and 2 days will be free, so you can do part time jobs. They have clearly mentioned on their website, so you can just see, right? And then, for example, they have written down a 3-day model, unlimited access to artificial intelligence lab, and what is the course combination. And then they have given the requirements of the course, you can see, which I have already explained to you. And there are deadlines and discounts. Okay, if you are looking to apply in summer semester, if you apply before 30th of November, you will get 4,000 euros discount. If you apply before for 21st of 31st of March, then you will be getting a discount of 2,000 euros. So you can see what you want to do or not. So yeah, and just go over their website and try to see if it's relevant for you. If you want to do that or not. But this is a good college where you can study. They have industry connection. They had tie up almost. If I'm not wrong, there were 80 plus tie ups with the professional organizations, like professors come from there and teach in their school. So that's really good, I would say, right? And then this is the combination of current structure of the class. For example, they have 28% students from Germany, 52% from Asia, 10% from America, and then Europe, excluding Germany, 10%. And then this is the background. You can see it is not necessary for you that you are coming from technical background. You can be from accounting, you can be from business administration, you can be from economics. So they have also given the combination. And this is the course where only 9% of the students who are from the technical background, rest 91% of the students are from non-technical background, which is really really good, I would say. Yeah. So basically, yeah, these were the top 10 universities, top 10 courses that you can target. Just go on their website, Google about them, and then you will know how what you want to do. Definitely, you have to research, you have to put in efforts yourself. Nobody can do it on your behalf, so you have to do it yourself. Maybe, yeah, I will just take couple of questions now, as we have, I think. uh, Okay, yeah. Sujit says, how will be the data science career options in 2030? You seem to be really look forward looking person. Definitely you have to be forward looking person, but 10 years down the line I cannot tell you, but yes, because we are moving more towards robotics, right? We are moving more towards automation. Definitely one thing I can tell you, how much the word is automated now. Definitely it will be almost word will be automated almost double what is there now, right? Then you can see right now in for example, if you go to a manufacturing plant of a any automobile factory or something, you will see that okay, robots are already working there. All the manufacturing is being done by robots, right? Assembly is being done by on those conveyor those automation belts and all, right? But then those things will be coming in more into other industry. And that's why if you learn these kind of courses, then it's definitely going to add value, and then you can contribute in developing those kind of technologies. So further down the line, if you go, if you are talking about 2030, I think most of the manual jobs will be gone. It's only about software and IT which will be contributing more, because I don't as of now what we see, these machines, these automation techniques are not writing the code. But yes, artificial intelligence is coming. It is self-learning platform. We don't need the code for everything. But yes, there will be still need for programmers, software engineers, or other engineers. For example, medical related background or others. Those things will definitely be required. Those kind of people, and data science people will be also be required from the software background or other backgrounds. So, but I cannot tell you precisely how will it be in 2030, but definitely it's going to be in demand. Yeah. Hi Narottam, you're asking for bachelor, but yeah, definitely I'll shoot some videos in future related to bachelors, because I see what people are looking from me right now. Definitely, that's why I'm focusing more on master. Definitely, in the long term, bachelor is on my list. I will definitely make more videos about bachelor. I will do that, but I also shot some videos about bachelor. You can go over them. Like for example, I shot a video about UniAssist. I shot a video about bachelor requirements, or I think there was one more I did. So just check them out. If you have any question, you can contact me. Definitely I can guide you. So yeah, but in future definitely I'm planning to have bachelor related courses also, videos related to bachelor related courses. Yeah. So Avinash is saying, I'm pursuing MCA in computer science and completed B1 German language. Just give a suggestion, which course should I select? Okay, Avinash, your question is too generic, but I can tell you one thing, that the good thing is that you have completed B1 German language course. So just go for the certification if you have not done yet. Then after MCA, I would say if you want to study in Germany, then you can shoot for any master's course here. You can choose a course you want to study in, which is, and I will suggest you to go for a German taught program if it's possible for you, considering your level or confidence in German. Then it is easy for you to go for the course. Then there will be not much competition for you, and also you will be going to a public university. The fee will be not much, as far as if I talk about the current situation, because if I talk about Dusseldorf, right? So in that area, the university fee is definitely 1500 euros per semester, if I'm not wrong, right? So you have to consider those factors. Considering the fee structures nowadays, it's better to go for German taught program for you, if you are working on the language, and try to learn those things related to the courses you are want to go prepare your profile, make projects, do internships, write journal, do some research, write papers. Then definitely it will help you. Okay. Yeah, Sujit, definitely AI is going the future. It's going to change everything. There is no doubt about it. That's why I cannot tell what's the future will be, but yes, it's definitely going to change a lot. Things will be all automatic, right? Okay. Okay, there is Ramesh. What about data science and artificial intelligence from Sarland University? Okay, Saarland is definitely is a public university. You can consider that. I tell you one thing: the courses that I mentioned are only top courses to consider. It doesn't mean that you shouldn't be targeting other courses. I would suggest look over the courses. If Saarland University fits into your requirement, they are teaching what you want to learn, then definitely go for that university. You have to see your own profile. You have to see the connection. How do you relate to them to that course? How you can justify that connection, and subjects they are teaching might be more relevant for you. You can see accordingly, and you can plan, right? Yeah. Yeah, Avinash, not a problem. Yeah. So I think we are done with the questions. I don't see there are more questions. In the last, I want to say, like for example, a CV is also very very important when you are applying to a university. Then you can just go on this website, my website, coachsandeepkhaira.com. You will on the just on the top of the homepage you will see, okay, there is a free best practices resume guide, because resumes are completely different here in Germany, here in Europe, right? You have to see, so it will give you the high level guidance, okay, that how what kind of CV you need when you are applying for university. Because if you have a like 10 pages long CV, it's not going to add any value, and it might have the bad impression on your application. So be careful about that and see and apply accordingly and prepare your CV accordingly, right? And if you have any question, you can drop an email at info@coachsandeepthera.com. I will be happy to answer your questions, right? So that is all for today, and I'm really happy to have you guys here. And thank you for listening till the end, watching till the end. Yeah, definitely. I'm planning to have a live session next week also. So stay tuned. Thursday, maybe I don't know yet. The time will be same or not. It might be 5 p.m. or maybe earlier. Definitely, just join my Telegram group. You will find the information there. You will know, okay, when I'm at what time I'm scheduling. You will know that. So I always insist that join my Telegram group, and you will get a lot of information there. I have two Telegram groups. One is the Conical Education, other one is Master Study in Germany. Right? Then just go over there, check out both the Telegram groups. You will see how much value people are getting there. For example, if I talk about the Conical Education group, you will find I'm guiding a lot of people getting a job in Germany from India itself, from based on your work experience, based on your skills. So you can just check out the groups, and you will be really having a lot of information. Okay, then looking forward to see you in the group. And yeah, thanks for joining today, and have a good day, good night. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.